Hey there, budgeters. This is my Saver World. I just wanted to do a quick video and almost like an unboxing for a new book I got today off of Amazon. And it's interesting, I've been cash budgeting for quite some time now, the last couple of years anyhow. And it was actually something I did in my early early adulthood, late teens, because I, lived out on my own starting at about 19. And so cash stuffing was a great way for me to manage my money. And so then, of course, as I got older, I kind of went away from it, and then eventually it circled back around like most great things. And I kind of got back into it. So in that process, and it's evolved over time, the different categories that I have, the different types of things that I use for my cash stuffing, and just really how I pull it all together. And one of the things I just happened to stumble upon on Amazon was actually books. And they're books that have different money games, different types of challenges and savings trackers and that type of thing. And even though I create a lot of my own products on Canva, and I even, carry a couple on Etsy, but most of them I make for myself for my own personal use. But I came across this book, and I thought it would be something that would be kind of neat to see what other people are using, and really something that I could have new for myself. And the great thing about this one is, per the description, when you purchase the print copy of the book, you actually get access to the digital PDFs as well, so that you can print them out. So that really appealed to me. So before I open up the book and just kind of give you a flip through, I wanted to kind of show you what it looks like. So it's Money Games, Debt Freedom, by Heidi Nash is the author. And it's a good sized book, you can see. And then it just kind of gives you a little bit about great ways to utilize the product. Excuse me. So in here, and I'm not going to go through every page, I'm just going to kind of do a flip through. You'll see most of the items are in black and white. Actually, all of the items are in black and white, which is great because then you can color them in. So like this little game is called Piggy Purse, and you kind of go around the board. Excuse me. So ideally, I would use die with this, and then however many spaces I would count with the number on the die and move it around. So this one, of course, it says start date, end date, each coin. There's 50, so you could put, how many, if you're going to put them all the same amount, you certainly could, or you could put different denominations. And then, of course, it has like a tracker on the opposite page that kind of helps you with your goals for some of these. So, for instance, here's the Fill the Piggy one that goes with the game on the front. Excuse me. I was not coughing before I started this video, I promise you. So this one is the 100 envelope challenge, and I've seen tons of different versions of this. I really like this. I like the envelopes. And then, of course, on the back, it gives you some directions on how to use it and whatnot. So that's really cool. Okay. Then you also have another one that doesn't have the number denomination, so you could actually put the numbers on there yourself. And again, some directions. And let's look a couple more. So here's Cactus Savings Challenge. And this one, of course, you put how much each cactus is. There's 100, and then that's how much you would save as you go through. There's Hearts. There's Buckaroo Challenge. So there's a lot of really, really cute items in here, right? So I'm super excited to get started with this one. It just arrived today. So I'm going to go ahead and use the QR code and kind of go in and look and see what's on the PDFs. And hopefully, fingers crossed, that when I go to print them, they'll already be in the A6 size, which is what I use. If not, I know how to convert it down with the percentages. But it's always great when they are ones that will automatically print A6 and I don't have to do a lot of extra. So again, I may do an update video after I use a few of these and do more of like an actual product review. Today was just really an unboxing just to kind of show it to you. So if you've been looking on, Amazon perhaps, and you've stumbled upon this and you're kind of on the fence, that just kind of gives you an idea of what's in here. I just kind of looked at some of the other pictures that were in reviews and that type of thing, and decided to get it. It was super affordable. Like I said, high quality book. Definitely, not something that only has like one or two in there. I really think I'll, be able to utilize most of these and just put them into my rotation of savings items. So again, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And again, this can be found on Amazon. I will link the book below in the description, so that if it's something you're interested in ordering or taking a look at the product description, you certainly have that to your disposal. All right. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.